how to download movies and episode on Disney Plus. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and then move into disneyplus.com. It will land you on the official page of Disney Plus. Once you are in here, enter your login credential and log into your specific account. It will land you on the interface which you are seeing it in the screen. Once you're in here, what you want to do is simply tap the download icon, which is the downward facing arrow under the title. To download an entire season of a TV show, tap the icon in the right of season. To download a single episode, tap the icon to the right of the episode title. Once you tap on it, it will start to download. All you want to do is wait for a while for it to complete. Well, once the Disney Plus movie download is complete, you can watch your show from anywhere, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can download movies and episode on Disney Plus. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.